Hi, I'm Richard, Operations Director at Sotech Limited. Challenges we've got as a business is everything is bespoke, so we have tens of thousands of SKUs, and how do we manage that? Through BC, it's a very difficult feat. So we reached out to InsightWorks to see what they could do to change our systems. They have a suite of products that can be used. So we're using their product configurator to build the bombs and routes. We're using the shop floor insights to scan all the products through the systems. We've got warehousing insights to do all the stock control and the advanced inventory count. We chose InsightWorks because they really resonated with us as a company. They absorbed our problems and tried to come up with tangible solutions. Everything we do is unique, so we needed a company, and there's no one better than InsightWorks to help with that. So as a major tangible benefit, we've gone from paper-based everything, to be honest, to a fully digital traced business, and that's thanks to InsightWorks. Sotech wouldn't hesitate to recommend InsightWorks to anybody, and I'll back that up by, if you want to speak to me personally, I'm happy to take a call and take you through our experience.